Hey angels, what's up? It's your girl Alicia and I'm coming to you today with another video. In this video today I want to show you guys this very cute bangle that I received from a company called shebelieved Bangles. And without further ado, let's just dive right into this video. Okay angels, so first and foremost I want to tell you guys that this video is sponsored by shebelieved Bangles. And thank you so much shebelieved Bangles for sending me out this very cute charm bracelet. I think it's so beautiful and I love everything that it stands for. So today I want to actually show you guys this bracelet and introduce you to this company and tell you all the details about it. Now you guys already know all my opinions are my own and my opinions are real and they are true. So when I found out about this company and we actually got a chance to communicate, I was so excited to collaborate them because I love their mission and their statement and what they actually stand for. So with their mission, guys, it's all about women empowerment and actually making sure that women have equal opportunities to be educated, which I love so much. So when you make a purchase with this company, a portion of the sales is actually donated towards young girls in third world countries just to make sure that they are getting the education that they need. And you guys know that I love this because I'm all about women empowerment and I'm all about education for us and just making sure that we are where we need to be, that we are succeeding and that we are successful out here. So you know, when I found out about this company, I had to jump on this opportunity to spread the word to you guys and actually show you guys what they have to offer. So this charm bracelet that I have here has she believes she could, so she did, and it actually has a 2017 charm on there. And this bracelet actually is available in silver and it's available in gold as well. So with these bangles, guys, you can wear these bangles every day as a daily reminder and affirmation and inspiration. It just gives you so much positive vibes and positive energy. And I swear I'm going to be wearing this bracelet like every day. And it looks super cute and it goes with my wedding band perfectly. So I'm just so in love with it. I feel like anytime you're going through like a difficult task or you may not have faith in yourself and you just really need that motivation, you just look down at this bangle or this bracelet on your wrist and you just read it. She believes she could, so she did. Like, as long as you have faith and you believe that you can achieve anything, there is nothing that you guys cannot do. And you guys know that you are my angels and I believe in you guys so much. So with this bracelet, it's adjustable, it fits most wrists. It's designed to be very delicate and lightweight and it's very delicate on my wrist. I like that a lot. It's also designed to be long wearing, long lasting, and is hypoallergenic, so you don't have to worry about breaking out from wearing this bracelet, which is very good because you guys know I have sensitive skin. Okay angels, so you can actually get this charm bracelet from www.shebelieved.com, and now we are actually going to go over to the website because I want to show you guys the website, how easy it is to navigate and all of the different things that's on the website. So let's go over to the website now. So this is the website. As you can see, everything is easily organized. You can go to bestsellers, you can go to jewelry and find different items there. You can track your order. Shipping and delivery information is there, and as you can see, they have a lot of cool options on here, so make sure you guys come and check out the website. Hey angels, so that's pretty much the end of this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Make sure that you guys support us women in our education. Thank you again so much shebelieved Bangles for sending me out this bracelet. I really do love it a lot. To all of my angels, make sure you check down below in the description bar because you guys already know that's where I leave all of my coupon codes, the website information, any and everything will be left down below in the description bar. And you guys already know I love you so much. If you have not already, make sure you subscribe before you get out of here. Give this video a thumbs up and I'll see you guys in my next video. But always remember, the secret to success: put God first, always be determined, and consistency is key. I love you guys so much and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye angels.